All right, we're back here on the right rear.
Left rear.
Is it left rear? Oh yeah, left rear. Oh God, I am special today. It's Monday for sure. All right, wheels off. I check the rear brakes. Those actually look very nice.
Yeah, they don't look halfway bad.
They don't look bad at all. They look like they've been done. Getting a little thin down here. Nothing too bad. Nothing crazy. Nothing's cracked or worn out or... Look at that. Nothing's leaking either. There's no oil out of the wheel seals. The bearings turn free. Not bad. All right, so left rear brake. Pretty good. Ooh. That's a little rusty on the spring bucket. What else do we see back here? Oh yeah, let's go look at. Oh yeah, the body bushing. That's cracked, and the other side of it is this the one that was?
What?
Yeah, this is the one that the other side was non-existent.
There's one on the passenger side that's like that too.
Yeah, and these are toast. Body bushings is a definite all the way around. Wouldn't be too bad to do. We've got lower control arm bushings. They're pretty bad. And the lower control arms and the upper control arms, not only are the bushings pretty much on their way out, they're also rusted pretty heavily. So we might want to consider just replacing those straight out the barrel here. Oof, that bushing's not nice at all. A little cracky. Springs actually look good. Leaking a little gear oil out of the vent. We don't know when the last time this was serviced, but it's been seeping. So I would definitely say drain and fill and reseal the back of the rear end here. Shocks are new back here, in good shape. Oh, you got that off? Hold on, let me look at. Ooh, wow. Okay.
Have another one.
No, that was the magnetic thing on the back of the things. Yep, non-existent body bushing, split body bushing.
The spring bucket up here.
Rusty too.
As far as I can see, yeah.
Oh, great. Oh, yeah. That's awesome. All right. Wow. Looks pretty damn good.
Yeah, nothing's leaking, just a lot of brake dust.
Yeah, just a little bit of brake dust. Everything's fresh, nice. The rubber's all nice. Nothing's leaking here on the axle seal. Again, like we said, the shocks are good, but control arms are questionable. I'd probably throw a set of springs in there anyway, because if you have it that far apart, you might as well just toss them in there. But that's looking pretty good, man. Otherwise, other than body bushings and such, I mean, they're all... Where's the next one? It's up in there somewhere. We'll get them. We'll look at the front ones too when we're up there, but if two are that bad, you might as well just do them all.
Well, they're all cracked, so.
Yeah, they're all cracked and dry. They've never been changed. But, all right. Ooh, fuel tank straps we were talking about. Tank straps and tank itself. Okay, it's not so bad on the back side here. But you get up here to the front. Yeesh. Those straps, one wrong bump and that's gonna go work its way out. That tank's rusty crusty too. So we might wanna look into both of those options. So we'll discuss that. Xander, do you wanna come down here and wiggle this drive shaft and check out them U-joints? Give us a little up, down, up, down. They're pretty good. Nice and tight.
Yeah.
All right, well, that's positive. All right, I guess let's head to the front, huh?
Yeah.